ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ 4ನೇ ಹಂತದ ಮತದಾನ ಬಿರುಸಾಗಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ 1 ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ 40.32% ಶೇಕಡ 40.32% ಅಷ್ಟು ವೋಟಿಂಗ್ ನಡೆದಿದೆ. 10 ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳ 96 ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮತದಾನ ಇದು. 10 ಸ್ಟೇಟು 96 ಸ್ಥಾನ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಥಾನಗಳಿಗೆ ವೋಟಿಂಗ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕುಟುಂಬ ಸಮೇತ ಬಂದು ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಗಣ್ಯರು ಮತದಾನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಟ ಅಲ್ಲು ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಪವನ್ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಬಂದು ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತೆಲಂಗಾಣ ಸಿಎಂ ರೇವಂತ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಸೇರಿ ಹಲವರು ವೋಟಿಂಗನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತೆಲಂಗಾಣ, ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ, ಜಾರ್ಖಂಡ್, ಬಿಹಾರ್, ಉತ್ತರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ, ಒಡಿಶಾ, ಪಶ್ಚಿಮ ಬಂಗಾಳ, ಜಮ್ಮು ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರ, ಆಂಧ್ರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ, ಮಧ್ಯಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ವೋಟಿಂಗ್ ನಡೆದಿದೆ.
हेलो 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 मिल रहा है ना? हाँ मिल रहा है ना। ओए सब पे कटा हुआ है महेश, लाइव कटा हुआ है।
Please cast your vote. It's a very responsible day for us, as all of us, for the citizens of this country. I know it's quite hot, but let's put that little effort, because today is the most crucial day for the next future, for the next 5 years of our life. Please cast your vote and please vote responsibly. Thank you. Thank you. నాకు ఎందుకో ఈసారి చాలా నమ్మకం ఉంది that a lot of people, there'll be a huge turnout, because I think people are also becoming more and more responsible. And please cast your vote. It's a very responsible day for us, as all of us.
So I would like to say, every time I've been telling, this time also the new emerging voters are coming up. So I do request them, make use of your power of vote. సో ఓటు అన్నది మన హక్కే కాదు, ఓటు వినియోగించుకోవడం మన బాధ్యత అని కూడా నేను చెప్తాను. సో ప్రతి ఒక్కరు వినియోగించుకోవాలి. అప్పుడే సరైన నాయకులు వస్తారు, సరైన ప్రభుత్వాలు ఏర్పడతాయి, సరైన అభివృద్ధి జరుగుతుంది. దట్స్ ద రీజన్ పీపుల్ లైక్ us, we are requesting and appealing, please do come and make use of your vote power. So I would like to say, every time